guys. Today I'm going to do a pour. I'm going to do what I call a V-style acrylic pour, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. And I'll be using today copper as my base. I've never done that before, so I'm going to see how this works. Use copper as the base, and then I have a turquoise, deep sea green. I have 24 karat, the Deco Art 24 karat gold. And I'm going to put the Amsterdam titanium white as a cell activator on top. I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to try and see what happens. I also will not be using the blow dryer today. I'm going to try to use this little device here. So I saw this a long time ago. It's called a barbecue grill ventilator. And I'll show you here. So I don't even remember where I got it from. Maybe Amazon, but I got it a long time ago off of another artist's channel, so I can't remember, but let's get started. First color that I'm going to try is going to be the Craftsmart Muted Aqua. So we're going to give it a go. And then let's just go the opposite direction for this one. Line is a little crooked. The next one is going to be the Craftsmart Turquoise. And then the next one is the Deco Art 24 karat gold. This next one is the Craftsmart Deep Sea Green. And then this is just the Amsterdam titanium white. Let's give it a torch. Some bubbles was hiding up under the paint. Okay, now let's give it a blow and see what happens. I'm going to try it with this little extender on it. If it doesn't work, I'm going to take the extender off. Okay, let's try taking that extender off. I might have to do this one by blowing it. It doesn't seem to be working. I hate doing that because I feel like I'm going to get into paint. Let me try to take it apart. Okay. Okay, I gotta find a way to get less paint on there because the towel is so small. It doesn't do what I'm trying to do. So the only thing I can do is just try to blow them out. It may look like a V a little bit, but not much. Okay, let's try this one. All right, let's try this one. Okay, now I'll bring you down so that you can see it. I think that when I try it again, I'm going to have to use the popsicle stick to try to put less paint on there because I don't want it to spread out that far. But it doesn't look bad. So let me bring you down so you can see. Okay, here it is. I'm going to show you with the full light. And then I'm going to take the light off of the phone so you can see. So let me take the light off. Okay. There you go. See there? Now that shine is, you know, from the metallics. Those metallics are just beautiful. It has a little bit of cells, not much. I don't know, maybe I should have put a little bit more. Maybe I should have put a little bit more cell activator and less paint. They're not bad. Let's get into focus. They're not bad. They're just not exactly what I wanted. And I think because the towel is so small, you have to put a little bit of paint on there in order for it to get the look you want. If you like this video, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe to my channel. And do leave me comments what you think. And as always, I will list the description down below the video. You will see all the description. And the Etsy will be down there as well. My email will be there. Until the next time, you guys. Thanks for watching. You guys, I couldn't help myself. I went back and I redid them. I definitely like these better. It's just not the style that I, was starting with the video. I did want to do the V style ones, But I'm going to have to do that with less paint because that just didn't work at all. So I'm sorry. I had to redo them. I just didn't like them at all. And I think that these look better, especially this one. I really like that one. Sorry, guys. My camera is not focusing like it should be. There you have it. I redid them.